Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Euro USD, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of gold USD in front of us right now. And if you have watched my previous video on gold USD, then hopefully you are in a profit right now. And if you're in a profit right now, shorting the market, then be on the trade. You don't need to do anything because we can clearly see on the chart that 1790 has become the new resistance for the market. Previously 1808 was the resistance, and right now we can see that after breaking the support of 1790, this has become the new resistance for the gold USD chart. If you want to know the importance of these levels, then I would request you to watch my previous video on gold USD where I have discussed in detail about these levels and all. Okay, so in this video I do not want to bore you by repeating the same stuff again and again, so I'll just focusing on what is going on in the chart of gold USD and what you should be doing. So as you can clearly see, market is trading below the resistance line, so this is a very sweet spot to short the market right now, because we can see that for the last 2-3 candles market is not able to cross the resistance. So 1790 is the new resistance and be on the trade. And if you look at the chart of dollar here, and as we all know, dollar has huge impact on the forex market and gold, because whenever dollar goes up, gold goes down, and dollar goes down, gold goes up. And we can see that dollar has formed a bullish flag pattern here. Previously dollar was very bullish. Yesterday I clearly mentioned that until and unless we get any sign or any sign from the dollar, we should be very careful, because to understand the pattern, to understand the rhythm of the US dollar, we needed something. And right now we can see that dollar is forming a bullish flag pattern here on the chart. In a bullish flag pattern, okay, we just wait for the perfect opportunity again, because whenever we get a bullish flag pattern like this, we always take an entry when market crosses the line above. So this is considered as a pole. This is considered as a pole of the market, and right now market is consolidating. So generally it is believed that, or generally what traders do is that as long as market is trading in between this flag here, traders do not trade. So I'll request you that don't do anything rush here. There is a possibility of US dollar going up from here, because we can see a bullish flag pattern. So in case dollar goes up from here, crossing this line above, then definitely gold will see some heavy selling again. This is the chart of gold. Okay, and as you can already see that gold is trading below the resistance line. So if dollar goes up, crossing the line from the bullish flag pattern, then definitely gold will start falling again. Just keep in mind that if there is a free fall or severe selling pressure on the chart of gold USD, then the next support for gold will be at 1750. This is the next support for the gold. Right now gold looks like under very much pressure, so do not think about buying right now, because right now the market is under the dominance of sellers. So in a market condition like this, you should not think about buying here, because dollar is very strong right now. You can see that there is a heavy selling on the chart of gold, so only look for the perfect opportunity to short the market. If you have taken the trade, that's good. If you want to take a trade, that's also good. Just keep in mind that you need to follow proper risk management. It means that do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because see, anything may happen in the market. As a trader, it is your duty to protect the capital. Therefore please follow proper risk management. That's it. So thank you so much, all the best, take care, see you tomorrow again, bye bye.